Okay, this is the aftermarket battery test. I got these batteries off of Amazon, 3-pack to a charger, 48 minutes, 17 seconds with 1% left. That's a win. The GoPro batteries don't appear to last this long. Now, the micro SD card, 4 hours and 36 minutes left after 48 minutes. And I have this on the highest settings possible to get this thing to use some energy. I've got the front screen on, as you can see, and the rear screen. The highest settings possible. All right, so look here now. I'm at 1% left, and I got 48 minutes. Looks like we're gonna get close to 50 minutes, if not better. So I'll tell you, the original GoPro batteries are very expensive. I think they're around $30, $35 a piece. So I bought this charger pack with 3 batteries for around $30 off of Amazon. I will post the description in the link. You can't make this up. Now, I do not know, let's do this here. Oh, we're out of focus. I don't know what the longevity of these batteries is going to be, but so far it's looking good. That's my story and I'm sticking to it.